Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create or start a new app project in the Uizard app designer. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you're in the Uizard app designer, you will need to navigate to the home section. To do that, click into that logo on the top left here to go to your dashboard. And from here, guys, what you want to do is navigate to projects here on the left hand side. Select your workspace here on the left hand side first. Right, so you can create a new workspace here. I will go with this one. And then what you want to do is click into this plus button, right, to start a new project and use this blank project here. Select the device type. I'm going to go with desktop, and that is going to redirect you to this blank screen of your project. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.